and welcome to the DIY Expense Tracker, the simple and easy way for the small business person to do their own bookkeeping. Hi, my name is Lynn. I've been a professional bookkeeper for over 10 years. In all of those years, I've seen many people frustrated at the amount of paper that a business can generate. I've also seen those same people frustrated at how costly it can be to get bookkeeping and a tax return done. So I invented the DIY Expense Tracker. Why? Simple. This takes minutes a day, it's simple and easy, and it eliminates costly bookkeeping fees. It empowers you to do your own books. It's made specifically for solopreneurs and small business owners. There's no complicated accounting software you can use, and it's exactly how your accountant wants the information for your taxes. Best of all, it's built for even the most unsavvy computer user. The DIY Expense Tracker has many features. It records your sales. It records your expenses and receipts. It tracks both Canadian and U.S. funds. It tracks your GST and HST, gives you some simple reports, and allows you to export the information for your accountant. And now you're ready to enter them into the DIY Expense Tracker. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to get set up so you can get started. We'll see you soon.